So greetings to everyone. To create a picture-in-picture effect, first we need to add 2 preferably different videos. Then on one of the videos, specifically the one positioned above the other, we apply the rectangle effect. To obtain it, we need to go to the video tab, and from basic we need to switch to mask, a bit of parallel. There we apply the rectangle effect, and this is the effect we get, as you can see. This effect can also be applied to the lower video as well, but I would definitely say it doesn't look very good. Well, essentially, today you learned how to create a picture-in-picture effect. I hope this video was useful for you.